flexible, cost-effective solution for outdoor applications where a permanent lifting location is not required. The G9DC Washbay mobile column lift is a truly versatile solution for heavy-duty commercial workshops. Expertly designed to ensure trouble-free use in outdoor and washbay conditions, the G9DC is hot galvanized with sealed bearings to provide long-term protection from water ingress, making the lift ideal for outside use. Like other mobile column lifts from Totalkare, the G9DC is versatile and can be configured in sets from 4 to 48 columns to suit a range of lifting requirements, with adjustable forks to accommodate the lifting of a wide range of wheel diameters. Totalkare's G9DC mobile column lifts require no installation or ground preparation work before use and can also be used indoors, a complete lifting solution. Learn more at totalkare.co.uk.